Inside Sora, you have access to two libraries, the Yes Prep Library and the Harris County Public Library. At first, you'll only see the Yes Prep Library. To add the Harris County Public Library, click on Yes Prep Public Schools and click Add a Library. Search for Harris County and click on the library tile. Now you can easily switch back and forth between both libraries. When you search for a title, you can also check Search All of My Libraries to get results from both YesPrep and HCPL. When you first borrow a book from HCPL, you will be asked to select your school so that Sora can sign you in to the public library. Scroll all the way down and select Yes Prep Secondary from the list. No library card needed. Sora will log you in to the public library using your Yes Prep account, and then you can borrow the title.